Captain, not a bad result tonight. A 1-1 draw. What do you think about the game today?
We played well, but as you can see, we missed the chances then of scoring.
Certainly, late conceding a late goal. How does that feel? Heartbreaking.
Yeah, heartbreaking.
Yeah, but that's what it is. Still in amongst the teams to advance. Looking towards Champions Cup this season.
Yeah, we're going there, man.
Going there.
Yeah.
Next up on the agenda is Tivoli. Definitely won't be an easy game, but something that I think you guys can pull off. Where regards to your performance tonight, what's your assessment?
Yeah, I played well. I played well.
What do you think about the team performance, your overall team performance?
Team played well as well, but they didn't score their chances.
But overall, the performance was quite good. All right, bless up yourself, Capo.